Okay, everybody, this is my son Jeremiah. He's going to be helping me out, putting boxes together so I don't have to do those trivial, mundane things because I have to get busy doing the tough stuff, okay? So he's going to put together, I have small, medium, and large boxes, and he's going to put them all together so this way I can just, continue my packing without stopping. So he has some tape that he already started cutting down to size. Okay, this is the tape here. And this is, what size box is that, Jeremiah?
Small.
Okay, that's a small box. And that's pretty good because it's not that small. So I could fit a lot in there. I can even help you, man. Okay, I'm holding one end. And you want to pull it tight. All right, very good. Now he's going to put 2 more strips of tape on here because I'm putting glass in here, and I want to make sure that it's sturdy. Okay, make sure this is the right tape. Yes, this is the right tape for this project. Okay, that's perfect. There it is. Okay, so you're going to do 2 more. You're going to do a medium and a large for me. I can take that out. That just helps to keep it open. You see the way it is? Okay, usually when you get boxes from the supermarket, they're collapsed, but they're not intact like this is. You see the little bridge right here that holds it together? There it is. Okay. So that just keeps it nice and sturdy. All right, so this is medium. Okay, this is upside down, but it's medium. Wow, it looks rather large. Whoa. Wow, you sure that's medium and not large? That's large. Oh yeah, that's medium. Okay, that's pretty good. When I, no, I think these go in first. Yeah. Okay, now he's going to put together the large. Okay, so the large was $1.25 per box, but you had to buy the bundle, which was a bundle of 15, which was not bad at all. $1.25 for the box. That's a really good price. Okay, look at that. Perfect. So my living room is going to be filled with boxes. Okay, so this is step 2, and I will be organizing myself for step 3. Okay, see you shortly.